Hello my friend, thanks for coming and check this video. In today's video we're going to talking about the harmonic pattern. I'm going to describe the 7 most common harmonic pattern on this video, and in the future video we're going to talking about the workshop and find some of them on the chart and work it out together. Before wasting time, let's get started. Harmonic pattern are geometrical price formation that's derived by the Fibonacci retracement or extension line. Most of them is funded by the GARTLEY in 1932. And one more thing really important, harmonic pattern is reversal pattern that is being made on the chart to find it out the reversal, potential reversal, and find it out PRZ point. First, we're gonna describe the Fibonacci sequence. The Fibonacci sequence, if you read a little bit about the mathematics, you know the sequence of the Fibonacci is really most important thing in the mathematics. And it's really important, you know, that like the first one is start with 1, second one is 1, and the third one, and the 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, and so on. The Fibonacci level, it's really important to learn. Fibonacci number is being found by the calculate the first one and the number before that. And as you can see here, F1 plus F2 is equal to the F3 and so on. And the golden ratio is being founded by the divide the Fn divided to the Fn minus 1. And that is calculation how to reach to the golden ratio, and the number is 1.618. If you want to know more about the Fibonacci, and you can easily search on the internet and bring all of the number for you. And today we're gonna talk about the 7 most common harmonic pattern, as you can see on the list. And today we're gonna talk about the basic about the 7 harmonic pattern. In the future video, I'm gonna dig into all of them. And make sure you subscribe and like the video if you wanna support me and make me motivated to make more video like that for you. And let's go for first one. First harmonic pattern is ABCD pattern. The easiest pattern is ABCD, and it includes the one AB impulse move and one BC correction and one CD impulse move down. We use a Fibonacci for the AB leg, but on the trading view we have a one ABCD pattern and one X ABCD pattern too. And that is make our job is so easy on the trading view to find it out the best number, and all of the number is going to be include that one. That is the bullish harmonic ABCD pattern. That is kind of we have a AB as an impulse move down, BC as a correction, and CD as another impulse move down. And as you can see here, BC correction wave is at most is maximum is 886, and it could be down to the 61% to 618, because I'm really respectful about the 618. CD impulse move is gonna be going to the 168 up to the 168, and that is give us the on the D point give us the potentially reversal back. Keep in your mind, we not open the position straight away after see the harmonic pattern. That is give us the potentially help us to find the reversal point, not give us the entry point. And that is exactly opposite of the bullish harmonic pattern. Is bearish completely, and as you can see we are on the uptrend, and at this point we're looking for the potential reversal pattern, and this is give us the good example for the reversal pattern. And on the deep position we're looking for the short position at this time. The next pattern is called as a bat pattern because its shape is like a bat, and it is called as a first leg is kind of called as a XA. We have one retracement movement as A to B, and we have another B to C, and the C to D another leg too. As you can see here on the bat shape is like that. As you can see here, we have A to B correction of the XA, and is need to at least 38% to 50% of the FIBO level. We need to be correction, and that is another one is B to C, and C to B D is need to be at least 1.618, and between the 1.618 and the 2.618. For the bearish form, it's exactly opposite. We need to XA, and the AB is going to be 38 to 50% of the FIBO level, and B to C another leg, and the C to D need to be between the 1.618 and the 2.618. That is, we're looking for the open the short position on the point of the D, but before open any short and any long position on the harmonic pattern like other pattern, you need to get a confirmation. Number 3 on the list is the GARTLEY pattern. That is another harmonic pattern, and it has some rule. The retracement of the point B must be 618 of the XA, and the retracement of the point D is kind of the 786 of the retracement XA. As you can see here on the XA, we have a one correction. You need to be at the 618. The AB is need to be 618 of the correction, and another rule need to be CD is need to be 786 of the XA, as you can completely see on the chart. You can see on the, but on the point of the D, we need to be looking for the short position. And another one bullish one is as you can see here, XA and the AB is correction. AB must be 618 correction, and CD need to be 786 of the correction of the XA. It's completely opposite. You can find like an entry point for the long position on the D. And the number 4 on the list, it has a one rule, but it has some additional rule as well. But the main rule is AB, the correction of the XA, and it need to be 786 correction before impulse move up for the BC. Butterfly, as you can see here, the XA is a one first impulse move, and the second one is gonna be one correction as a AB, and it need to be 786 correction for it. It has some additional rule. It has some additional rule, as you can see here. But another most important part is mean the CD need to be retracement of the 1.618 and 2.24 between those number. On the D point, we're looking for the line position and open the line position after get a confirmation. For the bearish one, as you can see here, XA, one impulse move down, and we have a one correction as a to B. It need to be 786, and we have a one CD need to be 1.618 and 2.24. Those numbers is really important, but the main point of main rule of this one is correction A to B need to be 786. Number 5 on the list is a crab pattern. That is has a two rule. It's pretty much two rule, and as you can see here, the XA, we have a one impulse move down, and the correction is AB need to be between the 382 to the 618 Fibo level correction, and CD need to be retrace of the 1.618. That is really important, and that is called the crab tool. As you can see here on the bearish crab pattern, we have a one XA as an impulse move down, and the A to B correction need to be between the 382 and the 618, and CD need to be retrace of the 1.618, and that is main rule after this one. After this one, you can find the bearish on the open the short position on the D point. And the bullish pattern is XA is kind of the impulse move up, and A to B is gonna be correction for the between the 382 and the 618 Fibo level, and the CD need to be 1.618. That is pretty much main one, and after on the D point, we need to looking for the open the line position. Number 6 on the list is the deep crab pattern. Exactly same as the crab pattern, but only different. The retracement of the A to B must be 886. And that is completely, you can see on the bearish one, you can see 886 need to be retracement of the AB. And it could be CD could be range up to the 2.24 to 3.618. For the bullish deep crab pattern, as you can see here, exactly same as the bearish one, and you can see the retracement of the AB need to be 886 of the XA. And as I said before, the CD range could be going for the 2.24 to 3.618. The last one on the list, the short pattern. This short pattern is different with the others. It has a 5 leg. Start with the O and the OX, one leg, and the XA and the AB and the BC, and the final leg is gonna be CD. And it has some rule in here, and the AB leg should be shown as a retracement between 113 and 1618 of the XA leg. And the BC leg will be 113% of the OX leg, and the CD leg target 50% of the Fibonacci retracement of the BC leg. As you can see here for the bullish one, and you can see the AB leg should be retracement between 113 to the 1618, and BC leg is gonna be 113 of the OX leg, and CD leg is target is gonna be around the 50% of the Fibonacci of the BC leg. And for normally we're gonna open the position on the CD only, and that is safest for us. After you see the all of this one, the stop loss is gonna be lower than that, and the 50% of the Fibonacci level is at least our target. And for the bearish one is gonna be is the same opposite. Is gonna be AB leg should be retracement of the between the 113 to the 1618, and the XA leg, and BC leg will be 113% of the OX leg, and the CD leg is gonna be 50% of the Fibonacci retracement of the BC leg, and that is our target is gonna be. In today's video we learned about some of the things harmonic pattern are used by the trader to help the predict the future of the market. As we see on the harmonic pattern is like a other pattern that we spoke with each other. If you didn't see them, you can go in there, and I'll leave a link in the description. Go in and watch the rest of them. As I said to you, as long as we see the pattern on the chart, unless we don't get a confirmation, we're not jumping on the trade. And we need to get a confirmation. A lot of trader has a different strategy for they get a confirmation, but keep in your mind, if you want to stay on this market and trade on the market, you need to keep on your strategy. Doesn't matter what your pattern is shows on the chart. Pattern is not magic. Even harmonic pattern is not magic. And if you like, you can follow me on the Discord. I'll share some of my trading setup that I have, and you can learn a lot of things on on my Discord channel to how to get into the trade, and it's completely free. And I hope so that is added value to you based on the watch this harmony pattern. And see you next time, guys.